Standard 10th, Subject Maths 2, Chapter 2nd, Pythagoras Theorem. Practice Set 2.1. आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, practice set 2.1, question number 2. Question number 1, we have already studied in previous video. So start question number 2. In figure, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Sec NQ perpendicular to sec MP. MQ is equal to 9. QP is equal to 4. Find NQ. See here, in triangle MNP, NQ perpendicular to MP. NQ perpendicular to MP. So, find क्या करना है हम लोग को? NQ. So, what is given? In triangle MNP, angle N is equal to 90 given. Sec NQ perpendicular to MP given. So, therefore, see here, in right angle triangle NQ perpendicular to MP. Therefore, this NQ is a geometric mean of MQ and QP. So, therefore, by theorem of geometric mean, NQ square is equal to MQ into QP. NQ square is equal to MQ into QP. So here MQ is 9, QP is 4. So NQ square is equal to 36. NQ square is equal to 36. Therefore NQ is equal to, taking square root of NQ square is NQ and square root of 36 is 6. Taking square root. So therefore NQ is equal to 6. Question number 3. In figure, angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. Sec PM perpendicular to sec QR and Q dash M dash R. PM is equal to 10, QM is equal to 8. Find QR. See here, in triangle QPR, P is 90, means triangle QPR is a right angle triangle. PM perpendicular to QR. So therefore, using geometric mean, theorem of geometric mean. So see here, solution. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90. Sec PM perpendicular to sec QR. So ये क्या है, गिवन है. So therefore PM square हम लोग को फाइंड करना है, QR फाइंड करना है. तो हम लोग को QM इज गिवन, तो MR फाइंड करना है पहले. तो MR कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं? ये PM स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू QM इंटू MR. सो बाय theorem of geometric mean, PM square is equal to QM into MR. Here PM is 10 square, QM is 8 into MR. 10 square is 100, 8 into MR. Therefore MR is equal to 8 ए साइड आएगा जाए तो क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 8, so 100 डिवाइड बाय 8. सो MR इज इक्वल टू 8 ए साइड आ गया तो क्या हो जाएगा, हो गया 100 डिवाइड बाय 8. यहाँ पे इंटू है तो क्या हो गया, डिवाइड हो गया. सो MR इज इक्वल टू 100 अपॉन 8. 4 2s are 4 25s are 4 25s are 100. 25 4s are 100. So 25. So 25 upon 2 is 12.5. So MR is equal to 12.5. So therefore QR is equal to QM plus MR. So is equal to QM is equal to 8, MR is equal to 12.5, and so is equal to 20.5. Okay. So QR is equal to QM plus MR because Q dash M dash R. So QM is equal to 8, MR is equal to 12.5, and 8 plus 12.5 is 20.5. So therefore QR is equal to 20.5. Understood? So next, question number 4. See figure, find RP and PS, RP and PS using information given in PSR. So यहाँ पे SR is equal to 6. So in triangle PSR, angle P is equal to 30 degree, angle AC is 90 degree. Then find RP and PS. So what is given in triangle PSR? In triangle PSR, angle AC is equal to 90 degree, angle P is equal to 30 degree. So therefore angle R is equal to 60 degree. So remaining angle of a triangle. Remaining angle of a triangle. So we know that sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So 90 plus 30 is 120. So 180 divided by 120 is 60. So angle R is equal to 60 degree. So therefore triangle PSR is a 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Therefore triangle PSR is 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. So see here, which side is given? Side opposite to 30 degree is given. Side opposite to 30 degree is given. So SR. So SR is side angle opposite to 30. So we know that angle opposite to 30 degree is a half of the hypotenuse. So mean SR is equal to half into hypotenuse is PR. So reason side opposite to 30 degree. Side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. So SR is side opposite to 30 degree. So SR is equal to half into PR. So SR is given 6 into PR. यहाँ पे डिवाइड है तो क्या हो जाएगा, into is equal to PR. Therefore 12 is equal to PR. So PR is equal to 12. PR कितने मिला? 12. So next find PS. तो PS. So PS is, suppose R is, angle R is 60 degree. So side opposite to 60 degree means PS is side opposite to 60 degree. The side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is PR. So side opposite to 60 degree. So therefore root 3 upon 2, PR is 12, 2 ones are 2 6 are. So therefore PS is equal to 6 root 3, and therefore RP means PR is equal to 12 and PS is equal to 6 root 3. Number 5th, for finding AB and BC with the help of information given in the figure, complete the following activity. So here in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC, AB is equal to BC, and AC is equal to root 8. So therefore AB is equal to BC means triangle ABC is a isosceles right angle triangles, and therefore angle A is equal to 45 degree, angle C is equal to 45 degree. So next here AB is equal to BC, हम लोग के बॉक्स में आंसर लिखना है. सो AB is equal to BC हम लोग ने यहाँ पे दिया है, मतलब ये क्या है, गिवन है. सो AB is equal to BC is given. Angle BAC is 45 degree. Angle BAC is equal to 45 degree. So therefore triangle ABC is 45, 90 degree triangles. So we know that side opposite to 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse. तो यहाँ पे आएगी क्या, AB upon BC. AB क्या है, साइड अपोजिट टू 45, BC भी क्या है, साइड अपोजिट टू 45. तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आएगा, 1 upon root 2. साइड अपोजिट टू 45 डिग्री इज 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse. So same 1 upon root 2 यहाँ पे आएगा. AC is root 8. Root 8 means 2 into 2. So 8 means what, 4 into 2. So square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 2. So 8 square root 8 means 2 square root 2. तो यहाँ पे remains same 1 upon root 2. So root 2 get cancelled. Root 2 gets cancelled. So therefore AB upon BC is equal to 2. यहाँ पे root 2 get cancelled. So 1 into 2 is 2. So therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to 2. Understood? Thank you.